Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video we will see how you can change your Siri voice on your iPhone in a simple step. So let's start the video here. So guys, first of all do one thing, go to your iPhone and open setting application. In settings scroll down and there is an option called Siri. Okay, just go ahead and tap on that. And here if you see in a simple thing there is an option called voice. Just go ahead and tap on that. And here as per the latest update there are multiple options given to you on your iPhone. So as per the location, as per the country, the option might change. So now go ahead, whatever option available to you, go ahead, choose one of them and set it. By default it might be American, so just go ahead and choose as per your own convenience and liking. And like that you can easily set your Siri voice to a new voice on your iPhone instantly. So I hope this video helped you, and if yes, please like the video and subscribe to watch videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solution. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.